Chapter 5. The importance of keeping sharp instruments safely. We use sharp instruments like knives, pointed instruments, cutter, scraper, scissors, blades, needles, pins, packing needles, nail cutter, etc. for different kinds of work in our house. For keeping and safe handling of these sharp instruments, the following instructions should be followed. 1. For a few months before using these instruments, take the guidance of elders in the family and by observing them, learn to use these instruments. 2. Do not touch the sharp edge of the blade of the knife. Hold the knife firmly on the handle. 3. Never leave the cutter open. 4. Scrape the cucumber slowly and carefully with a scraper. 5. Do not leave the pair of scissors open. 6. The razor blade has sharpness on both the sides. Care should be taken while handling it. 7. Do not keep needles, pins, etc. anywhere in the open. Such things get lost easily. They can prick you anytime and anywhere. To avoid this situation, always stick the pins and needles on a magnet. Never leave safety pins open. 8. Handle packing needles and the nail cutters carefully. 9. Do not use all these instruments as playthings. 10. After using these instruments, put them immediately in their proper places. 11. Do not keep knives, scissors on the edge of the table. By a little push, they may fall on the ground and hurt somebody. 12. While handing over sharp instruments like scissors, knives, or compass to others, always place the pointed side towards yourself and the handle side in the opposite direction, that is, front. 13. If a glass article has fallen and broken, collect the glass pieces carefully and put them in the bin. Do not handle the fine glass pieces with your hand. To collect the small glass pieces, moisten a piece of cloth and collect the small pieces of glass and throw them in the bin. Do this. Do not do this.